Hello friends, you are mostly welcome to this channel, and here I am going to draw a riverside scenery, and I am making a border with scale and a whiteboard marker. You can also use pencil to make border to this portion, and I am using just a page of an exercise book. This is not so much good, so I am not using too much water to this page so that it will not become curls. And now for making a riverside scenery, I am making a tree at first at this river bank, and for since it is for beginners, so I am creating it just simple. So this is a tree at the river of this at the bank of this river, and here is the river. This is the river and it comes from this, and now this is another river bank, and far away from this river a lot of trees are present, and I am making like this. And now let's color it. So for coloring it, I am going to use sky blue color for this, and I am using it at the top of this page so that it looks better, and I am placing more white gaps at these portions of this page because it gives me the effect like clouds. And now I am going to color this portion at first, and for coloring this I am using Prussian blue and mixing it with deep green. So I am using deep green and Prussian blue to color this. So this is Prussian blue, this is the mixture of Prussian blue and deep green, and I am applying it like this, so that it seems that these trees are just mixed with the sky. And now Prussian blue and deep green. So this is Prussian blue, this is the mixture of Prussian blue and deep green, and I am using it randomly at this portion so that it looks more better. And now I am going to color this river. So since the reflection of the sky and these trees will come also at this portion, so I am using this Prussian blue color, and I am using water more than that portion because if you are not using more water at this portion, then this will become darker, but I don't want it, so I am using this color. You can also use sky blue color, but this will not affect so much, so I am using this. And I will apply more detailing after just finishing other color. So I am using yellow color, this is medium yellow. You can also use lemon yellow color at this portion. So this is medium yellow, and it is sap green color. I am mixing this color with this yellow so that light green color comes, and I am applying this at the empty portion where the yellow color is not present, and just use this color after using the lemon yellow or medium yellow, because you have to mix it with that color, otherwise it will not showing so much good. So now I am mixing it together, and this is another river bank, so you can see this color. And now for this tree I am using same color, this is light green, and I am creating medium green color by using only sap green, yellow and deep green, and applying it at this portion to make leaves like nature, leaves like pattern. And now yellow ochre and brown. At this portion of the tree. So all the objects are now filled by the colors, and these are the basic colors. And now I am going to more highlight and apply more shade to this color, so to this picture. So I am using yellow with this blue, and now I'm going to apply this at this portion of this water, and I am placing some gap further applying for this color, because it looks more better, and it creates actually the wavy nature of the water. So I am using this color like this because the shadow of these trees will come at this portion. Now for shading this land, I am using this brown color and mixing it with the sap green and applying it at these portions. This is dark brown color, and I am creating this color by using brown and black color. This is the shadow. Now yellow ochre color at this portion. Now to make this portion more darker, I am using brown and black. So it becomes more darker than the previous one. And now I am creating some of the branches of this tree. And if you want to give some leaves at these branches, then you can also put these. I am creating a medium green and then just put this like this. So this will give leaf like nature. Now I am using Prussian blue and mixing it with deep green and just applying at these portions. So this basically gives you a leaf like pattern, and I think this will be very helpful for you. And how to create it, you can see this in another video. I will upload it in the next one. And for that you have to subscribe this channel, and to get notified please click the bell icon, so that you will get the notification of this video, of that video. And also this channel will now be helpful for you, I think, because more videos like this I will upload in this channel. Now I am creating some sticks here like pillars, and now shadow of them are going there. So I have completed this painting almost, and now I want to create some palm tree in this portion. So I am using Prussian blue color and use more water to this portion to make it. And also you can use just green color to draw this. So this is another one, and you can put the shadow of these trees at this portion and at this portion too, because this is just for the reflection of this palm tree from the water. It is not a shadow of it directly coming from the sunlight. So this is the painting, and you can draw it with your own. This is very easy, and anyone can draw it. This was for beginners, and obviously you can draw it. And if you are not a beginner, you have too much idea, then also you can draw it for just practicing and for color pattern. So this is the painting. Okay, thank you.